You okay over there?
But it's giving me mouth gasm. Mouth gasm, then.
Can I put my water here? Can I put my water here or not?
Whatever.
Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to our channel. So, this is my food. I just made this tonight. I actually made a video of how I made this. So, this is fried yam and egg sauce. That's what I'm having. What? Why are you doing that to my food? People are gonna hate you for that. For eating some a culture's food, a people's food. And he's having dog food. My husband is so picky. He doesn't eat any nutritious cereal and chicken. That's it. And sometimes rice. Come on, join me, guys. Yeah, my husband is so picky, super picky. I have in my water. Careful, so I don't know my water now. Why do you have? Guys, this food is so delicious. Baby, have some. Try some.
No. I'm good.
He will never. He doesn't even eat. By the way, this is my Nigerian dish. We made this in Nigeria. My husband is too picky. He doesn't even eat American food, not to talk of another food.
America doesn't really have its own food.
What do you mean by that?
We have barbecue. That's about it.
We have barbecue and have cereal. And chicken.
America's known for barbecue. Other than that, come to America, it's Chinese food, Italian food, which is from China, from Italy, obviously. Mexican food, which is from Mexico. What else do we have? Sushi, which is from Japan. America doesn't really have its own food.
That's unfortunate, I'm sorry. This is... Guys, in Nigeria, certain dishes we eat with our hands. We don't use spoon or fork.
Do you have silverware over there?
No, babe. We go into the bush and we pluck some wood. No, not wood. We pluck a branch from a tree, a tiny branch, and then we break it a little bit, and then we use it to eat. Babe, you need to come to Nigeria. Oh my goodness. Nigeria is good. But like if you go to Nigeria, you never want to leave. You will never want to leave, I'm telling you. Like things are so easy in Nigeria. In America, people are suffering. You can't even, people can hardly afford like house helps, living nannies,
a chauffeur they call it, right? And all that stuff.
What do you need a nanny and a chauffeur for?
Whatever you want to do with it. Drive you around while mommy is taking care of the place. Have a security man at your gate to open the doors when you're leaving and when you're coming in. First thing in the morning, every morning, he'll come out and wash the cars. All the cars you have, because maybe he doesn't know the one you want to drive. If you go to Nigeria, we want to leave. That's the truth. So many people are poor. Well, a lot of people are rich too.
Just like here.
Over here, I'm busting my ass. I will sweep, I will clean, I will cook, I'll take care of the kids.
You're a stay-at-home mom.
In Nigeria, I have people doing that for me.
But who's paying for it?
Me? But it's not even expensive, like it's very cheap. It's very cheap. Before I came to America, I had 2 households. I had a security man open and lock the gate when I leave. Before I come out in the morning to go for my business, he already washed the car.
What was it, a little Toyota or something?
Baby.
Little chrome hubcaps on it.
I need to enjoy this food. I've got to now. Guys, this food is to die for.
Some died for that food. You okay over there?
Whatever. Babies, it's giving me mouth gasm. Mouth gasm, babe. You should try some.
No, I'm good. I don't need a mouth gasm. Weirdo.
Guys, I wish you guys can try this food. I wish you guys can try this food. This food is, oh my god. What?
You want me to put that on something for you?
Oh man.
You know.
What are you talking about? No, I'm just eating my food. I'm enjoying the food. Yeah. The kids were eating this food and they were singing Hallelujah chorus. When they were eating. Oh my god.
It's not the sounds they were making. Sounded like somebody was gagging. Jesus, man. Think, I did. Look, I did.
What are you talking about? I'm just drinking water.
Nobody drinks water like that unless they're looking for something. Do you want me to bring you upstairs and give you something?
Dad, we're just eating my food.
What are you doing?
My food fell. Looking for my food. What? That's funny. What?
You know what you're doing.
What am I doing? I'm just eating my food. Are you just gonna watch me? Are you gonna turn on? Are you gonna turn on at all?
How am I supposed to turn on?
Turn on. Goodness gracious. Guys, my husband is. Guys, please tell me in the comment section. Does your husband understand sign language? Because obviously mine doesn't understand sign language. They're supposed to turn on all the sign I'm giving you. Are you on?
Yeah. I'm always on.
This food was delicious, baby.
It's fantastic. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Oh yeah.
For sure?
Oh,
Did you enjoy it, girl? For sure? Let me see. How bullshit did you enjoy it? You enjoy it. I am full.
well, you took the food, you gotta finish it.
No, I don't have to finish it.
You do. You don't know the rules.
I don't have to.
Oh, that was a good food, guys. Really good. I wish I could eat some more, but goodness gracious.
Whatever food you take, you gotta eat.
No, I don't have to.
That's the rules. It's the
What?
rules of the dinner table.
Who said the rule?
Me. I'm the king of this house. Any food you take, you have to eat.
I'm the queen. Do you know that it's the queen that actually runs the kingdom?
Mom.
Baby, the truth is that the king is just a presence. It's the queen that actually runs the kingdom. You know why? Because if there's something that is going on, or if there's any decision to be made, when the king goes into his chambers, the queen will come in and rub his head, rub his back, as she's rubbing his stuff, she'll be like, honey, you see this, I don't think it should be like this, I think it should be like that. And then she's picking his hair and all the lice on his hair. She will tell the king everything that she wants him to do. And the king will come out in the morning and announce everything the queen told him to announce. So indirectly the queen runs the kingdom, just like I run you, you know?
Well, just like in the kingdom, the queen can be replaced.
Guys!
Go ahead, do it. Come on. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Nothing.
Baby, this queen can never be replaced, not in your life.
Any queen can be replaced. Babe.
This queen is unreplaceable. You know. Do you want me to tell them
Go ahead.
why I'm unreplaceable?
Go ahead.
Because I have captured the entire of your heart. You don't even have a heart anymore. I have it in my palm. You only do what I ask you to do. You only go where I ask you to go. Anything I permit you to do, that's the only thing you can do. I have you here. Like when I look at you, you become weak. You know that's right. So, try again. Maybe in your next world, get another queen. Not in this life. Not in this one. I have you. You know Nigerian juju. I did Nigerian juju on you, Otomopo.
You a fish?
I use Nigerian juju on you. No leave, no transfer. You can't go nowhere. Can't you? Don't you see that you don't even own your own life anymore? You can't even think straight. All you think is, oh my wife, oh my goodness, this lady, oh my goodness, this woman, I love this woman so much. That's all you think about. That's why you leave the house. You can't keep your hands off your phone. You're always calling and texting. Because you can't live without me. You can't breathe without me. I'm your nose. I breathe for you. I have already possessed, like, there's no exorcism.
Well, if you're breathing for both of us, this thing's big enough to do it. This thing's big enough to do it.
There's nothing that can set you free from my I love
you too.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much in this video. Thank you all so much for your support. What are you doing? But are you playing with the phone? Thank you guys for your... I'm tired. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's been a long day. I am tired. I need to just go to bed. Thank you guys and have a good night guys. Good morning whenever you see this video. Bye. Why do you always have to be goofy?
Because I'm goofy.
This is ending of the video. Do you think you can be serious?
Do I have to be serious?
So that the people can know how much you love them and appreciate them. Alright guys, bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, whatever.